Today we talk about how can you verify your email on your Paidwork app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on send activation link. Just click on it here. So then here it's going to take you to send or activate your so it's going to send activate link with your email. Then it's going to verify your email here. So then you go your email, then you verify your email on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.